So, have you ever lost your keys, dropped them somewhere as you are walking to the car? And the tendency is for us to continue to look for the keys in the parking lot where there's light on, and we continue to go back to the store or look for the keys in the places which are lit up. When the truth is, we drop them in that dark alley over there. But because it's dark, we don't see there. So, what's hidden, what's in the dark, holds the truth. What's lit up is an illusion. So, sit with that for a moment. What does that mean? What is it within you that you cannot see? It's our subconscious. It's 90% of um, the operation of our life is run subconsciously, but we can't see it. So we never look there. Same thing, an example is when we have physical symptoms, we keep harping on the physical symptoms. We do one test to the next. It doesn't matter how many tests we do, it's still on the physical surface level. Yes, it's lit up because we can see the body. It's like the parking lot is lit up, but that's not where the answers are, right? So the care to healing the symptoms is not in the body, is in the energetic body, is in the subconscious. That place is dark because we have not shed the light of our awareness to it. So what we see is surface. It's not the truth, therefore an illusion. What the mind makes us keep believing is an illusion. The truth is what we don't know. The truth is what's deeply beyond the surface. So another example, if you see a big rock, but you don't see the rock, you only see the tip of the rock above the water. You think there's a little stone above the water, but there's a huge mega rock submerged in the water. You don't see it, but that's where it is. It's actually a big rock. It's not a small rock. So how do we make aware what is in the dark? Is we do the work. We do the inner work to raise the level of awareness. So my upcoming course, 6 Steps to Emotional Freedom, we talk about raising the level of consciousness so you can see into the darkness, into your own darkness and heal. The course is July 16th and 20, the following 2 Tuesdays, 2.5 hours each. It's a great course to start the healing process. And I'll put the link below the video. So I hope you take a look and I look forward to you joining the course.